Section 4.2, Example 2. Which of the following pairs of radicals are like radicals? In order for two radicals to be considered like radicals, there are two conditions that must occur. The number inside the radical, the radicand, must be the same, and the index, the number inside the radical symbol, the index, must also be the same. So part A, we can see that both terms have a radicand of 7 and both terms have an index of 2. Therefore, 2 root 7 and 4 root 7 are like terms. Part B. In part B, we can see the radicand is the same and the index of 3 is the same. Therefore, B does contain two like radicals. Part C. We have the same radicand, the number inside the radical symbol is the same. However, in the first, we have an index of 2, and the second one we have an index of 3. They do not have the same index, therefore they are not like terms. Part D, we can see the index is the same. However, their radicands are different. They are not the same. Therefore, they are not like radicals.